guys, welcome back to Clean, Organise and Repair. Right guys, so let me first tell you what I'm going to repair. So as you see, I have this faux plant right here next to me, and if you recall, a good few months back now, I suppose this way into the summer, I did my balcony and decorated it with just faux plants basically, because I'm not green fingered. Anyway, this plant right here was in a vase, but one morning I woke up after a huge stormy night. I woke up to find that my vase had completely smashed in half, and that this plant is what would sit in the vase for outside on the balcony. So we're going to see if we're going to be able to fix and repair this vase. Also, we're going to be having a bit of a chat, guys. We're going to have a bit of a chat. Also, in that same little haul, I got these little guys, these little little trio right here. Got 3 of them. Here's the 3rd one. And they're very cheap, guys. Very, very cheap. Let me sit back. They're very, very cheap. They're only from the pound shop, Poundland. But if you look closely, let me bring, which one's worse? They're all pretty bad. But the first thing I noticed was this little guy right across his little belly. Right across his little belly, if you can see that, is got a big crack, and all around him. Same with this little guy, around the back is all cracked. So we want to just use some glue. To be honest, I'm not even that keen on my little balcony setup anymore, because I don't know, it's all right. It's kind of cute. It's all right. I'll probably just keep it that way. But yeah, yeah, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to be trying to glue this vase using Gorilla Glue, but then I realized that it's actually wood glue, so I don't know how that will work. I also have this extra strong clear glue, 151 extra strong clear glue. We'll try this. I have this adhesive as well, all purpose. But I don't think this is the one. I don't think this, I can't actually see the print even with my glasses on, but I don't think this is going to do anything. I've also got some masking tape here, because I will show you, let's move these little guys first. I will show you what's happened to this very pretty vase that I have. This is what's happened, guys. It's completely split. Do you see that? And I'm wondering if I can glue this back together and then use the masking tape just to give it, just to hold it together while it dries is the aim. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. My mind tells me to use both the Gorilla Glue and the clear glue for extra strength. I don't know. but we're going to give it a go, and we're going to set it right back into this box to basically not have it all over my floor. Right, so while I do this, guys, I'm going to have a bit of a talk. Right, I was meant to actually do a different project for you guys today. Let's open this. I was meant to do a complete other project today, which is a big, massive clean with me. We're going to just use this and go around the edges, guys. This may not work. If it doesn't work, I'm not really disheartened, because it's just a cheap little vase, and as I said, it's not a big deal. So anyway, while I glue this, we'll have a bit of a chat. So guys, sorry. What I want to start doing is voiceovers. So I've been meaning to learn how to do a voiceover for a while, but the problem is I don't have a mic. And my son has a mic, and that could do, but I've seen a few people using their phones, recording on their phones and then uploading in their edits and doing it that way. So I am hoping, guys, that my big clean with me, which actually I should have done this. This is my last day on holiday. It's Saturday. Oh, if you're wondering where everyone is, Nicole's literally just left to go out with a friend. I'm not sure where they're going. She's gone out with her friends, and Dominique has gone to a photo shoot. Her photo shoot is from morning till night. I should really have put something on the floor, right, guys? I should, really. Yeah, her photo shoot is till late tonight. And then Kylan, bless him, as I said, I don't know if you recall, but I said in my Sunday vlog that Kylan has not been too well. So he's still recovering, you guys. So please pray for my son. He's still recovering. He's not hugely bad. I mean, he did go to taekwondo today, and now he's in his room, is what I'm meaning to say. He's in his room having a bit of a nap right now, a little bit of a nap, to get back his energy. And so I thought I might as well do this video while it was quiet. Now, I really do feel like I need to get something to protect my floor. So what can I use? I suppose I can use a plastic bag, right? Yeah. We're going to use a bag, and then we're going to set everything there to dry, and hopefully they dry. Give me a moment. I will be back. I should have thought of this before. Right, guys, I'm back. Okay, so I've got this little Iceland bag right here. I'm just gonna cut. I'm still in my pajamas, guys. I'm so tired lately. I really have been tired lately. I was meant to do my big clean throughout the week, and I didn't really get round to doing it, and now my holidays is more or less over. Well, after tomorrow. So yeah, there's that. Right, we're going to just use this plastic bag here. I hope you can see what I'm doing, guys. We're going to use this so that we don't get glue all over my floor. Right, I'm gonna put, am I in focus, guys? I don't know. I'm gonna put some more glue around the edges here. This is more of a chit-chat type of repair, guys, because as I said, we were meant to be doing a big clean and I've just not got round to filming that. I will do, maybe tomorrow, maybe next week for you guys. By the way, comment down below if you rather videos or vlogs or clean with me's where I'm talking directly to the camera, to you guys, or I feel like voiceovers is just a little bit more professional, I guess. So I'm gonna try and learn how to finally do a voiceover. I'm constantly learning, guys. I am constantly learning how to improve on my content in order to give you guys, well, better content, basically. Right, we're going to then go in with the clear glue right here. And I feel like we should definitely mix the glues because, oh my goodness. Oh wow, I did not expect this to be so runny. I literally just spilt glue all over the place. I don't know why it's so runny, guys. I don't know if it's old or what. Wow. I didn't expect this, guys. Glue is everywhere. All over my fingers. Guys, it's all over my fingers. Good job that I actually got up and decided to get plastic. This is actually burning my finger, I'm not gonna lie. That's not good. Look guys, it's absolutely runny. I didn't expect that to just pour out like water, actually. Didn't expect that. Anyways, I hope I don't get some type of a rash or anything. Right, so let's see. Hopefully I don't glue my fingers to the thing. Right, so I'm gonna go and wash my hands, guys, because that can't be good for the skin. Right, guys. I feel like I still have a bit of glue on my finger. Okay, so let's leave that alone, shall we? We're going to leave that to do its thing. Hopefully it dries. I was going to use tape to kind of squish it together, the two halves, to make sure it's actually pressed together, but I'm now looking at it and thinking maybe I don't need to do that, you know. I can just probably let it sit like that. Right, we'll see if that holds up, guys. Okay, now that has all gone all over my hands. Okay, so now we're going to use some glue and see if we can glue these little guys a little bit. Let's hope that this doesn't pour all over me. Should I use the wood glue? Because it's a bit more controlled. I don't know. Okay. Because this poor guy, he's just cracked all over, really. He is. Right, let's take care this time, shall we? Oh my God, guys, this glue is so runny. Why is it so runny? I'll put some. I'm making such a mess. Was this even worth the effort, guys? As I said, I'm not even too keen on this little trying not to get myself all glued up this time. I'm not really that keen on my little outdoor situation, but you know, they'll do for now. They will do for now, guys. Right, I think he's had enough. He's got enough glue. He's gonna end up right. Your turn. Let's look at this guy. I think this is the only little one that's actually okay. He's got a little something over his belly, but we'll take care of that. All of my little men, all of these little guys are having a little bit of an operation. I mean, don't get me wrong, they're fairly cute, but I'm not too keen. I'm just doing this so that I can give you guys some type of content while we have a bit of a talk about my videos. Also, guys, please share, like, and comment. It makes a huge difference when people actually shares and makes comments on your videos. If you like any of my content whatsoever, please like and share, tell your friends, your family, whoever, you know. Some people might find my content a little bit on the boring side because it's just little old me doing household things, really. And then on Sundays, it's just like a family type of vlogging situation where you would see my family and other things that I'm up to, I guess. I feel like this guy is in the worst situation, aren't you? He's in the worst situation, guys, because he's cracked all over. He is. His little tail is hanging on in there. I'm gonna see if we can glue that. I mean, he's not fallen apart just yet, but just so that he doesn't, we're going to just give him a bit of a repair situation. Literally, I'm getting glue everywhere, literally. Right, and across your belly is good, I guess. Right. Let's close this, shall we? Yeah, so guys, tell me what you think, please. Comment down below. I hope you can hear me and I hope you can see me also. But comment down below what you would like me to do as far as content. Yeah, this was just a small little project that I wanted to be out of the way because that vase has been sitting in this box and driving me insane. So I thought, do you know what, let me just see if I can repair the vase and have a chit chat with you guys at the same time. Yeah, so believe it or not, that's it. That's all I'm gonna actually do is this repair, this very small repair. Right, so let's sit these here for now. Okay, this can be put away. Right, we're gonna just slowly drag this bag across the floor. Let's hope my vase don't fall. So as you see, that was a bit of a rush job. knowing my luck, they're going to end up stuck. I don't think you can see. Knowing my luck, they're probably going to end up stuck to the bag, but I don't care. I'll just rip the bag off them. It's fine. Let's fold this a little bit because we don't actually need all this everywhere. Yeah. Right, so that's them, guys. Okay, so we've glued the 3 little guys over here. Bit too much glue, but never mind, it's a bit runny. And we've glued down this vase. Let me show you what I mean. So the 3 little guys normally sits out here, along there, and then the vase normally sits here, just like this one. Right, so that's that, guys. Let's bring you here so I can sit down, guys. Right, I know this wasn't much of a clean repair and organize. We repaired the vase. We will come back and I will let you know if that held up. But yeah, guys, I don't know. What do I mean I don't know? I want to start doing voiceovers because I feel like I wouldn't then have to talk directly to the camera. I can just do my cleaning and then explain what I'm doing as I go. If it's a success, I'm going to use my phone for my audio to do this. My phone mic. I've seen it on YouTube. I've done some research. So let me know what you guys think. Would you guys comment down below if you guys would rather that I was doing my clean with me's with a voiceover? I watch a lot of clean with me's and they do voiceovers, and I really want to learn how to do that. So if you see my next video next week, should be a clean with me, because I should really do it today, guys, but I am tired. And what have I been doing to be tired? Nothing much, but I am actually just tired. And just the thought that my holidays is over is draining me. So anyway, comment down below if you feel like voiceover clean with me's is way better than me directly talking to you via the camera. Next week I'm hoping to do a big clean. You've seen one of my big cleans before, but over here at the back over there is really dusty. It really needs a good clean. I need to move everything and clean behind there. I just don't have the energy, guys. I don't have the energy to do it today. I might actually film it tomorrow and then test out my voiceover during the week so that it will be set up for you for next Wednesday. Anyway, that's it. It's rather a short one, but yeah, I have nothing else for you. Not that I don't have anything for you guys. I have a lot of ideas. I'm just feeling really tired, particularly today. Just like Kai, I feel like having a nap. As you see, my bed is still up. Yeah. Anyway, this is a very short, clean, repair and organize, guys. I know it's a very short one, but hopefully, fingers crossed, I will be able to work out how to do a proper, decent voiceover for my big clean with me, which hopefully you will see the following week. So I'm hoping to film that possibly next weekend, because as I said, I am back at work this week. So yeah, I feel like I don't have the energy right now to do all of that, and I need to prepare and get myself in the mindset of work and going back to work and getting back to my routine of going to the gym and work, which I'm hoping to film for you for my Sunday. Yeah, so comment down below any other repairs or clean with me's or anything that you would like me to do. As I said, I have loads of ideas already in my head, but if you have any ideas at all, maybe something that I have not thought of, please let me know. I look forward to reading any of your content, any of your suggestions. As you see, I'm talking a whole load of nonsense, so I'm gonna just go make myself a coffee and just go. By the way, Kylan has these 3 books. One of them's called Happiness, the other one is called Positivity, and the other one is called, I think it's called Self-Motivation or Productivity or something. So Kai sees that I'm getting really stressed, and he came from Taekwondo today and he said, Mum, I feel like you should read some of these affirmations in this book. And he left it in here for me, bless him. I told him I'm happy, I'm just tired and stressed. It doesn't mean that I'm sad or depressed, but yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I'm dragging this out for no particular reason. I don't know if you guys are going to be interested in me coming back to show you guys whether or not my very smashed up vase actually holds out. It is for the outdoors, and the rain and the whole what's the word? I can't think of the word right now, guys. My brain has gone to sleep. So I'm hoping that the vase can withstand the weather and I can bring everything back outside and they dry well and they don't get broken again. If they do, then that's fine also. I just thought I would just repair them because they've been just sitting, especially the vase where it was completely broken too. It's just been sitting in that box waiting for me to just glue it back together, which is pretty much a very simple job like you just saw, but I've just left it to just sit there. So I thought I'll use it as a little repair video, even though it's not really a huge repair. Yeah. And by the way, my washing machine is working beautifully and we are very happy with it still. I do need the plumbers to come and repair my plumbing in the bathroom, in the bath. I reckon the bath might be getting a bit clogged up. I hope they don't need to pull out my washing machine in order to do anything. But anyway, that's all I have for you guys this week. This glue is still on my finger. I'm going to go ahead and sort that out, have myself a coffee, possibly take a nap, cook some dinner, and yeah, that will be it for the day. Anyway, this is a very boring one, so I'm going to go, guys. So stay safe, be safe, and peace, guys. Peace. Bye.